Welcome to our tutorial on how to unmute notifications from users with unverified phone numbers on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open Twitter on your PC and sign in to your account. Step 2. On the left side of the page, click on the Notifications tab to access your notification settings. Step 3. Locate the settings icon, typically found in the top right corner, and click on it to open the settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, select filters and then choose muted notifications to manage your notification preferences. Step 5. In the muted notifications section, find the option Who haven't confirmed their phone number and uncheck the box next to it to unmute notifications from users with unverified phone numbers. By following these steps, you can easily unmute notifications from users with unverified phone numbers on Twitter, allowing you to engage with a wider range of users and discussions. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to unmute notifications from users with unverified phone numbers on Twitter using your PC. Enjoy a more connected and interactive notification experience.